Hi, welcome to Healthy Kids Inc. So now we're getting ready to feature chicken quesadillas with broccoli. Wow, this couldn't be any simpler. A great way to get the kids involved. In this case, we have the broccoli already cut up and ready. So Preston, will you help us to put the broccoli in our microwave steamer so we can put this in the microwave?
What's under there?
Yeah, water's under there. All right, put some broccoli in. No, just regular water. Then we're going to steam it in the microwave.
That's funny.
We're going to put this in the microwave for a few minutes. We'll be good to go. Hey, thank you for all your help, buddy. We appreciate it. That's all. So the kids have helped us make the broccoli. Now we're going to start with the chicken quesadilla. Really, really easy. What we did is we actually, as a part of our prepping process, we cooked the chicken in advance. This is a great thing to do. Obviously, baking chicken takes a little bit longer, so if you want to do that in advance, feel free to. We've done that here, so we're just going to, and we've already cut it up. So we're going to go ahead and just use this in our chicken quesadilla. We have some extra virgin olive oil in the pan heating up, and then we're going to spray these very lightly with some Pam. The kids in this case, they just simply like chicken and cheese. Very easy, but you could certainly put any type of vegetables that you'd like in there. So we've got that. Spread out the chicken on your quesadilla. A little bit of cheese, and the kids can help you to fill up your little containers. Spray a little bit of Pam for this top side that we'll be flipping. I'll put this pan on top of this just to press it down a little bit and get this thing cooking. You're going to cook your chicken quesadilla for about 2 minutes on each side, and the goal is we're trying to get a nice little crispy outside crust, and obviously your cheese melted and your chicken heated through on the inside. Alright, it's been a few minutes. We just flipped our quesadilla, beautiful golden brown here on our whole wheat tortilla. So we're going to let the other side golden up a little bit, and then we'll be ready to serve it. Take about 2 to 3 minutes.